Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send USDT from Nexo to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your funds securely and efficiently. With the crypto landscape evolving rapidly, knowing how to handle transfers like this is essential for maximizing your investments. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Nexo and Binance. You'll need some USDT in your Nexo wallet to get started. Log into your Nexo account and head straight to the dashboard. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. It's usually right there on the main page. Once you're in the withdrawal section, select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to send. Double-check that. Crypto addresses can be tricky. Now, you'll need to enter your Binance wallet address. Pro tip: always copy and paste this directly from your Binance account to avoid any typos that could send your funds into the void. If you're not sure where to find it, go to Binance, navigate to your wallet, and copy the USDT address. Next, specify the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Remember to account for any network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on the blockchain you're using, like Tron or Ethereum. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll likely get a two-factor authentication prompt for security, always a good thing. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on your transaction status. It should show up in your Nexo history, and once it's confirmed on the blockchain, check your Binance wallet. This whole process usually takes just a few minutes, but give it up to an hour during peak times. One last thing. Stay safe out there. Double-check everything, and if you're new to this, start with a small amount. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.